Incremental routines. So in this video, I'm going to cover how you can play YouTube videos on SuperMemo in April 2026, because it has been a change from YouTube and Google perspective, not from SuperMemo. What you can do. Then now in this chapter, I will do the flow in SuperMemo 20, and in the next chapter, what you can do if you don't have SuperMemo 20. I'm streaming my laptop because I need Windows 11, because in this computer, the potato PC, incremental video never worked. Awesome. Then what you need, that's a brand new collection, right? So first thing you need to go is to the template registry. And in case you don't have those, you see you have article picture WV. That stands for web view. Same for item picture and YouTube. So it could be the case that you don't have that. Something like this. You need to right click, then tools, and define predefined templates. It's not on by default. I don't know why, but it's not default. Nice. Then we will have to apply this template. That depends how you use SuperMemo. Usually it will be through a concept. So here I will put, in case I have a dedicated concept for videos, is what I will do. Or if it happens that this concept is not for videos, but is something that, I know, is psychology, but is a YouTube channel of psychology or whatever. So I'm not going to cover the specifics of the flow. Then auto-apply, at the very least, the topic. Click twice, remember this. Nice. And then you need to use the web import. Then I will put whatever shows first. How to learn kanji, here you go. Okay. Now, do you see the URL? Now I'm going to import this. In case you haven't used SuperMemo 19, it's Shift F8, and you import using the group hook. And this, among other things, will be using the new template. Okay. Then, hey, it worked, the import worked, but the video is not playing. Turns out that, hey, what I'm using, the current template is YouTube. That's not the one I wanted at all. It's because, hey, have I used the root? Yes, I did. I only have one, right? And turns out it's YouTube WV. For whatever reason, I don't know if it's back or not, you can always do the apply template. That is what I will suggest as the last resort, because it's manual. So Ctrl-Shift-M, and then you choose the WV, and you should say, hey bro, is this still the same thing? Now instead of black, it's white. No worries. Just load any other element and go back. You can do this with Alt-Left, all right? And voila. Here you go. Keep in mind, this is playing on Windows 11. I could not do this successfully on Windows 10. It's not limited. Some people do it because the precise version or whatever. Then how do you know you have, or in case you have a customized template, it's not as easy as to have that easy. Ctrl-Shift-O, and you might see it because, hey, it is a web element component type, the new one added in SuperMemo 20. And now it plays. Do you see? What I don't have anymore are the suggested, but I have the captions and sound, the quality, the speed, here the captions, stuff like that. Hey, special repetition, awesome. It's because generally it's a random choice, this video. Then, what happens if you don't have SuperMemo 20? You're screwed, because in SuperMemo 19 or older, you are still with the HTML component. This turns out that this change is from their side, so it's analogous from some years ago with SuperMemo 18, that, hey, I cannot import from Internet Explorer anymore because websites refuse to load the page, right? So you only have copy and paste from the clipboard from SuperMemo 18 or older. You no longer have Internet Explorer working, and you needed to upgrade to SuperMemo 19 so you can use Edge or Chrome. Same thing. Could be the case that it works for a while, then stops working, and so on. That's because what they do is A/B testing, and once you are in one of those, there's nothing you can do. What you can do is copy your collection over or sync it with Git to a different computer, but then eventually you will be again on the A/B testing, or you will be banned as well, temporarily banned for 24 hours. So you could squeeze this, agonize this experience until, like Internet Explorer, that is no dead sentence. Now YouTube refuses to load under Internet Explorer, then there's nothing you can do. And SuperMemo 19 is not going to be updated. So, long story short, you will need to go local, so you play local videos only, or to update to SuperMemo 20. There's nothing you can do. The same as, hey, you want to import from the browser. Hey, you need to upgrade. Some people don't, and they just use a clipboard. For them, it's enough, right? But here the clipboard won't cut it. So you could still use the topics as placeholders and play the videos on YouTube, which is a flow I have done for several years, which has a lot of limitations, or you just update. And if you decide to update, it will be $32 or $28 if you use my link in the description. That's all you need to know about incremental video as for SuperMemo as far as April 2026. Remember that the flow is the same and that you can customize this. That, hey, I want a video on the right side and metadata on the left. You can customize the templates or how the style, how the references are seen, all of this. The point is the functionality. If you want incremental video from YouTube, as today, from now on, you need SuperMemo 20. Deal breaker, if you are in the older versions. Sorry about that. There's nothing else I can do. That's all for now, and see you incrementally.